Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Dear Doily stamp set. You'll find this stamp set on page 47 of the brand new Occasions catalog, and you can purchase it January 3rd, 2019. I'm also using my Stamparatus. This is a really good tool, and especially for this stamp set, which has really intricate designs on it. I wanted to make sure I got a good impression, so I know I'm going to be stamping twice at least. So I've inked up my red rubber Cling stamp with stays on, and I just pressed a little too lightly, I'm afraid. So I inked up the stamp again, pressed a little harder, and this time I even went in with my chamois and smeared. It was like I was putting good pressure on there, and that sentiment turned out perfectly. So now I'm going to do my very favorite technique called sponging. I have a quarter of a Stampin' sponge here and a piece of paper stapled to the top with the color, the ink name, which this happens to be Gorgeous Grape, and this happens to be Coastal Cabana. I'm tapping off the ink first before I bring my sponge to the paper. And again, I've sped this up quite quickly, and I've cut some parts out just so that I won't bore you to death. But that's all it is. It takes time. And basically, if you want to have a really good success in choosing colors that blend, think of the colors on the rainbow, like violet to blue or blue to green, green to yellow, yellow to orange, and orange to red. All right, so now I am inking up my intricate doily. This is the largest of the two in this stamp set. And I think I had to do each one of these a couple of times. And the whole point of me using the Stamparatus was because of this. I had a fear that I wasn't going to get a really crisp, dark black impression. So now that my stamp is kind of already inked up, I didn't want to wash it off and move the thing. So I used you saw that little piece of plastic from my Stamp-A-Majig. That was another stamp positioner that we had in the past. I think we actually still might sell it. I'm not 100% sure. But it was more for wood stamps being placed properly. So wood stamp positioner, put it that way. And I am using that sheet so that I can look to see where I'm placing that stamp. You could use a window sheet or clear plastic. You could use vellum. You could use anything, actually, even another piece of paper. But this way, I'm able to take a look and see where I can place my image, just like that right there. Close the door, pick up the stamp, and the ink is on the plastic and not on my project. Because honestly, I've spent a lot of time inking that, and I don't want that to go to waste. So again, trying to get that intricate stamp inked up really well. So this is the second stamp in the doily in the stamp set. It's a smaller one, and I have to say, now I looked at the Thinlit dies after I did this card, and I took a look at it, and I'm like, wow, those Thinlit dies are beautiful. So if you like the kind of unique design, I would definitely check this stamp set out and dies. And I wanted to make mention that at the end of the video, you'll see a couple of still pictures of this card, like I always put the still pictures on. And you'll see that I put some bling on there, and I'm mentioning this because I didn't put the bling on camera. So I just felt it was a little bare naked. So I actually used the frosted and clear epoxy droplets, and I do believe we are still selling them. They are not going to be retired, so I'm pretty excited about that because I really like them. So I put fast fuse on the back of my piece, and I'm just adhering it to a card base, folding it with my bone folder, making sure everything matches up nice and neat. And on the inside, I'm stamping the sentiment, how much your kindness touches my life. So words can't express how much your kindness touches my life. And that is my card for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye-bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.